never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome to my channel. So it's kind of late at night. It's about what, 10 o'clock. It's Sunday, and I need to wash my hair, so I'm about to get into that. But for today's wash day, I do want to try some new products. I've seen the Maui Moisture products like for a while now. I've been seeing them. I think this may be one of their newer products, but don't quote me because they might not be. But it is the Detoxifying and Volcanic Ash, the conditioner, and then also have the shampoo as well as the scalp care mask. And these products are supposed to focus on dull and congested hair. Now, I have never heard hair be described as congested, but you know that already sounds bad, like dull and congested. So, you know, I guess it's supposed to bring your hair back to life. So these are the products I'm going to try out today. I have never tried Maui Moisture's products, so we're going to get into them. Off jump, I can already tell you that I don't like the shape of the bottles, but that ain't got nothing to do with the product. But I don't really like these type of bottles. I know it's another product that has these type of bottles, and when they start to get lower in the bottom, you can't like squeeze it, like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta let it like just drip out, and that'd be taking too long. Like, I need to be able to squeeze the bottle to get my product out. We're gonna get into how these things work. I think these are the only actual hair products they have pertaining to this collection. I also see they have like lotion, body wash, and an exfoliator, I think. So without further ado, we're gonna hop in the shower and get started with these products. So once I'm in the shower, to begin, I'm going to completely saturate my hair. And my hair can be kind of stubborn with getting water into it, so I always like to kind of wring the water in it so it can be soaked up into my strands. Once my hair is completely wet, I'm going to apply the shampoo. And as you guys can see, it doesn't take much for this to lather up. So yeah, you get a lot of suds with this shampoo. And I'm just working it into my scalp to be sure I get rid of all of the buildup on it. Now here it is rinsed out, and I'm going to follow up with the conditioner. And as y'all can see, I told y'all about these bottles. I knew I wasn't gonna like them. They playing games right now. But anyways, I'm gonna apply as much conditioner as I would like to just help with detangling and everything, and just put some moisture back into my hair after shampooing it. And you can see that I'm kind of like, you know, agreeing that this product has some good slip, because it was really getting rid of my tangles like very nicely at this point. So once I was done with the conditioner, I rinsed that out, and I'm going to follow up with the scalp mask. And I apply that all over my hair. And then I'll just let this sit on for a few minutes and rinse it out. So this is my hair after washing the mask out. I left it in for about an hour. So for my complete thoughts about each product, starting with this shampoo, this definitely sudded up, gave me a lot of suds really nicely. While using it and rinsing it out, my hair definitely felt like really clean, not like super stripped, but it felt clean. Now, as far as the conditioner, I know a lot of times as naturals, we look for conditioners that allow us a lot of slip so we can work out those tangles. There's slip, and then there's melt my tangles away completely slip. And a lot of times I found that I don't find a lot of conditioners that just like completely melt my tangles as I'm working the conditioner in, but this is one of them that was definitely doing it for me. Through my process of applying the conditioner, I didn't even have to use my wide tooth comb. I was just finger detangling, and they were literally melting away. And I love that when I can just be working the product through my hair and just finger detangle what did I finger detangling through my hair and just melting the tangles out. So the shampoo does say it is sulfate free, and the conditioner does say that it is silicone free, but these bottles, like I already said,
well, just as I thought, trash.
So lastly, I'm gonna talk about the scalp care mask, and I think this done really good for my hair as well. And because the conditioner works so good, I didn't really have to go back and detangle this through my hair really, but of course I did use my wide tooth comb and detangle it a little bit more. But like I said, the conditioner works so good, so I was just able to easily apply this throughout my hair. And the consistency of this is like, well, I didn't tell you how these smell, but they smell pretty good. It's kind of neutral. It has that, it says it's volcanic ash, so it gives me a little bit of an earthy, I don't really know how to explain it, but it's not very strong. It's very neutral. But yeah, back to the product. It looks like a clay almost to me. And the scalp care mask also says that it is silicone free. So I'm gonna guess and say it's the volcanic ash that helps with the dullness and detoxifying your hair and kind of getting rid of all of the gunk out of it. That's what the volcanic ash helps with. And this also says that unlike most products, they have aloe vera juice as their first ingredient. They also have pure coconut within this product, as well as, where is it? Citrusy bergamot oil and zesty ginger extract. Overall, I will say I really enjoyed using these products. Just a nice way to cleanse my hair very nicely and get rid of, you know, a lot of gunk in it. These were very affordable, and I found them at Walmart. I think you can buy them at Target as well. Walgreens probably. In the comments below, let me know if you've ever used any of Maui Moisture's products. This was the first time I used them, like I said. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.